Hey guys, it's Saving with Shay. I'm gonna try to make this quick because it's so freaking hot. Like, it's supposed to be 110 today, and it's noon, and it's already 106. So hot as heck. I got the AC on low, hoping that you guys don't have a problem hearing me and the hum of the car. So I'm gonna try to make this intro really quick. Now, for my weekend warrior bonus, I need 18 rebates for $5, and then for the grill master one, I still needed 22. So I did do some yesterday, knock out the rest of them today, and get back $15. So this should be it should be pretty easy, because there are enough resets to make it work. And then of course I'll be getting gift cards, which I've started doing again, getting gift cards. I'll probably get 2 or 3 today as well, to kind of help with how many I need. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing the lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know some deals. Without further ado, let's head over to Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals we got.
Of course. Look, y'all know David is here, right? He's been drinking the heck out of these sodas, and I've been getting him 0 calories, because at least 0 calories. But he's been drinking them all. A lot of you guys were asking me, is it good? It's not bad. I actually like it. Especially I like the fact that it's free, you know, or really cheap, not free. If you have Checkout 51, it's a moneymaker, but I don't have it on Checkout 51. So listen, Coca-Cola Ultimate is priced at $2.08. For this, I'm grabbing them in sets of 4. I end up paying $8.32 out of pocket. We still have a rebate on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada for $3.50 back when you buy 2. So you'll get back $7. So it'll bring it down to 33 cents per bottle, which is definitely. The other deal we're gonna grab over here is on the Weathers Originals. It's on the little box. It's priced at $1.48. You're gonna get that back on Ibotta, making it absolutely free. Next up is on the Weathers Originals on the, what is this, 2.65 ounce bag, which is priced at $1.28. So for this, we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $2.56 out of pocket, but we'll be getting back $1.50 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, and then we'll get back 25 cents for each on Ibotta, which is gonna bring that down to only 28 cents per bag. All right, so the next deal is on the Herdez Avocado Hot Sauce. It is priced at $2.48. We're gonna grab 1 of them. We'll be getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, bringing that down to about $1.02. I miss when they had hang tags on them. Did y'all see any hang tags? Yeah, none today though. Alright, so next up is on the Weathers. This is the larger bag. Not the largest bag, but the larger bag. It's priced at $2.74. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do this deal yet, but you'll grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $5.48 out of pocket, but then you'll get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also $2 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. My Points Inbox are Tada, bringing them down to $1.24 each. I feel like I shouldn't even say anything when I do these, because you guys have seen these so many times that it's like, and I literally been doing this like the last 3 days. Then it pops up on Ibotta today for 50 cents, which I was like, okay, that's awesome. So you got one price at $3.13, one price at $2.94, getting back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.40, plus 50 cents on Ibotta for each one, making one of them a $1.77 moneymaker and one of them a $1.96 moneymaker. So again, why not? All right, next up is the Zoa energy drinks. They are on rollback still for $1.48. We're gonna grab 1 of them. We'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta, making it only 48 cents. Right, the next thing I'm grabbing is the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. It's on the refill. It's priced at $5.28. For this, we're gonna be getting back, there's $2 on Shopmium, Alexa. You might have it on Tada or Swagbucks. And then $2 back on Ibotta, bringing that down to $1.28. Alright, so the next deal is on the Temptations Puree. They are priced at $2.72. So for this, you want to grab 1 of them. You'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $1 on Shopmium, our Alexa, our Tada, our Swagbucks as well, making that only 72 cents. Now, I was gonna grab the Tender Feels as well, which is also priced at $2.72, and again $1 back from both. Well, Ibotta and Shopmium would make it 72 cents too, but it's not scanning for me on. Is this one open? Did somebody try them? Did they bring their cat and try it, or did they try it? But it's not scanning on Shopmium. And if it's not scanning on Shopmium, then it's not going to work on Alexa either. So, but I'm pretty sure they'll eventually get around to adding the UPC for it. And when they do, it'll be 72 cents. It's a Purina Fancy Feast broth with their price. Did I just do that? Which is priced at $1.48. You want to grab one of them. Ibotta is going to be awesome and give you back 75 cents, making that only 63 cents. All right, so since we're still on the cat aisle, let's go ahead and go for this deal. It's on the Purina Friskies on the little shakes, which are priced at $1.34. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $2.68, but then you'll get back $1.33 on Ibotta, bringing it down to 67 cents each. They also have a rebate on the little gravies as well, which are priced at $1.28. So 2 of them is going to cost you $2.56. You'll get back $1.33 on Ibotta right there. Bringing those down to 61 cents each. And then last but not least, over here is going to be on the soups, which are also priced at $1.34. You'll end up paying $2.68 out of pocket. Again, getting back $1.33 on Ibotta will bring those down to 67 cents each. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Purina Beneful, priced at $2.12. We're going to grab a total of 4 of them. We'll end up paying $8.48. We'll get back a total of $3.25 on Ibotta. That's 75 cents for each one, plus a 25-cent bonus, because this is my 3rd trip. And then we'll be getting back $2.75 on Shopmium for buying 4 as well, bringing it down to 62 cents each. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Irish Spring. It is priced at $4.97. We're going to grab 1 of them. I will be getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1.50 on coupons.com. Well, I'm not sure if coupons.com is still active, but coupons.com, Alexa, our Shopmium, our Tada, our Swagbucks, bringing it down to $1.97. All right, next up is the soft soap. There is, I want to say maybe 4 or 5 different offers on Ibotta for different scents. So I went ahead and just grabbed 3 different ones on rollback for $4.47. And then you'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. I also went ahead and submitted on Shopmium, Alexa, and Tada as well, which brought it down to $1.47. So this next I'm going to go ahead and do, it's on the Dove. I'm going to use a BOGO coupon. So I believe it's by the Dove Women at $4.97, and then you get the men, which is $6.97 for free, which is down here. So I'm going to grab 1 of each. We're going to use this BOGO coupon right here, which should take off the price of this one. And so then you'll end up paying $4.97, and then we're going to get back how many kicks? I think it's like 500 kicks on 575 kicks on Shopkick right there, which is equivalent to what? It is equivalent to $2.30 from Shopkick, making them only $1.33 each. I know that at my stores we can't use the BOGO coupons in self-checkout anymore, so I'll probably have to take that to a regular register. All right, next up is going to be on the Caress. I'm going to grab the body wash, which is priced at $5.97. And I'm going to grab the 4-pack of the bars, priced at $5.17. Both are going to come to $11.14. And we'll be getting back 500 kicks for each on Shopkick, which is $2, and then $3 on Alexa as well as Tada. Bring them down to only 57 cents each. Now, also grabbing the Febreze as well, which are in the trial section, but it's so busy over there. So we're going to grab 2 of these at $1.97. And then you're going to get back $3.30 on Ibotta, which brings it down to 32 cents each, which is not bad. And then the last thing over there is on the Dude Wipes, which are $2.12. You get back $1 on Ibotta, making this only $1.12. All right, so my next deal is going to be on the Dove deodorant. For this, I'm going to use a BOGO coupon here. So I am gonna grab a stick and a spray. I know the spray is on Shopkick. I don't have a stick on Shopkick, but I do have an offer on Fetch Reward for buy two get back $2.50. So we're gonna grab one of the sticks at $5.37 and then one of the sprays at $6.73. The total for both is $12.10. Again, using the BOGO coupon, it should take off the $5.37. So we'll end up paying $6.73 out of pocket, but then we'll end up getting back $2.50 for buying two on Fetch Reward. We'll also be getting back 525 kicks on Shopkick, which should bring it down to about $1.06 each. All right, next up is going to be on the Degree deodorant. We're going to grab one of the men priced at $5.23, and we're going to grab one of the women's that's priced at $4.98. So they both are going to come to a total of $10.21. We'll be getting back 750 kicks on Shopkick for each of them, which is $3. And it will also get back $1.50 on Alexa, Shop Me, Tada, you know, Swagbucks, whichever. I also have an offer on Fetch Reward for $10 back. I'm sorry. I wish it was $10 back when you spend $2. No, it's $2 back when you spend $10. And so it'll make them both free plus a 79-cent money. Right, the last thing I'm gonna grab over here is gonna be on the Axe deodorant spray. We're gonna grab one of them priced at $5.78. Let me see, do I see one? Do I see one though? I found one, y'all, but best believe your girl had to dig for that one. So we're gonna go ahead and grab one priced at $5.78. We'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta and then $2 on Alexa, Shop Me, making it 78 cents, which is definitely not bad. Next up is on the Colgate Max Fresh, priced at $3.74. I'm gonna grab two of them. I'll end up paying $7.48, but getting back $3 on Alexa as well as Tada, making them only 74 cents each. All right, guys, so we're doing this deal again on the Hallmark greeting cards. Now, I had a little different strategy this time, and I started at the top and just scanned this first like shelf right here, and then I scanned the second tier. And I found 3 that work for the rebate on Ibotta for $3 back when you buy 3. And so yeah, so next time I come, I know which ones work on those tiers, and then I can just kind of resume right here if there's none available up there. But these are the ones that work for me. Okay, 98 cents each. And then you're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta. And then the last thing I'm gonna grab, because it's the only thing that I got that's refrigerated, is on the Follow Your Heart cheese. This is actually like literally in the produce. I was looking everywhere else except over here, which is crazy because it was here last time, duh. And so anyway, so it's priced at $5.18, and then Ibotta's giving us back $4.99, so it's gonna make it like 19 cents. So yeah. All right, guys. I bet y'all can't wait for the Coca-Cola to be over with and the Chupa Chup, because your girl's been smashing those deals. Oh my gosh, I'm surprised the Coke is still, I'm surprised both those deals are still going. Like, I've probably done that Chupa Chugs probably like a good 10 times. Seriously, that deal, I'm so surprised. Usually, Shopkick deals, you can usually do them like, they'll usually reset like up to 5 times. Or is that Ibotta? I know Ibotta used to be up to 5 times. But, yeah, it keeps on resetting. And since you're paying me, you know what I mean? Then I'm going to get it. And one of you guys gave me an idea to save it for Halloween candy. And I said, okay, that's not a bad idea. I'll just save it and, you know, add that so I won't have to get as much candy. And so there is that. Now, as far as this, the only coupons that I used was the BOGO coupons. I went ahead and tried them in self-checkout just to see if they were, if they were going to scan or not. And they didn't. I thought that maybe the deodorant one would scan. I figured the Dove body wash definitely was not going to scan because it doesn't normally scan. And so they didn't scan. So I had to take them to a regular cashier. So I just took those items off the receipt, or I avoided those items and went to a regular cashier for that. And so that was cool. The cashier was super awesome. Had to call a CSM over, and she approved them for me, which was cool. All right, so there was that. Other than that, everything else worked out really, really good today. I did the Coke across the board. I think it's in review on one of the apps. I don't remember which one it is. All of my Shopkicks went straight through, you guys. I didn't have to put a ticket in for nothing, which is awesome. Only issue that I have with them now, though, is whenever I cash out, it doesn't go through. It says, oops, something, something of another. And then I have to put a ticket in and be like, hey, trying to cash out. I can't. They get back to me and be like, oh, what's your earliest convenience? Just try again. And it's like every time I cash out, I have to do that. And I cannot stand that. Other than that, everything you see here retails $192.95. I had 1204 in coupons. The out of pocket was $180.91, and then we walk away with $51.53 from Ibotta. Shopkick was $43.60. Shop Miam is $18.75. Alexa, $15.25. Swagbucks was $7. Inbox dollars was $7. Ta-da is $24.25, and Fresh Reward was $12.80. So I end up with $187.66 back, making everything you see here free plus a $6.75 moneymaker, which is not bad at all. And our tax for this was $8.78. So not a bad little haul. Other than that, I hope you guys are having the most amazing day. Like I told y'all in the previous clip, or the pre-clip. It's 110 degrees here in SoCal, and yeah, I went to the Walmart, I went to the gym, and then I came back home, and I'm going to stay home until tomorrow. Hoping I can get up and do CVS for you guys. If you got to this point in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button on the way out the door. And I would love to see some suns in the comments. Other than that, you guys have an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I totally forgot to pull out my Follow Your Heart cheese, you guys. Just so you know that I bought it. So you don't be like, she probably didn't even buy it. I'm going to try this, too, on a cheeseburger. I wonder if it's any good. If you guys have tried this vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, soy-free cheese, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.